This is of how it looks as we got it, before any repairs or paint job. We got the carburetor cleaned, but it still needs some tuning. As you can hear, the carburetor still has too much air coming into it at this point. And this is how it runs after the carburetor was cleaned and restored. Now going on a shift, clutch, and run test.
Rebuild on a Honda 1981 Honda CM200T. '81 Honda CM200T pulled out of the not operational status, and now look at it.
And this is how it starts now. Before taking the carburetor apart, during the middle, and after the repair. And look at how clean that is.